What's up guys, welcome to Barrookie. I'm on a journey to get to do one arm pull-up. In order to get that, I have an awesome exercise that I really want to exploit in order to get to that awesome strength feat. This is already week 76, so what have we been doing the past couple of weeks? Now, I want to give this update because as always, not everything goes as smooth as planned. And I was not planning on getting the one arm pull-up in a year either, but now I have some other hiccups into my journey. Mainly this sucker here. So 6 weeks ago, I developed some elbow tendonitis. If it's on the inside of the arm, that's called golfer's elbow. So that is obviously treatable, but that takes some time. And I did what any other responsible millennial would do. I went online and looked for a video on how to treat this one. And I came across the one from Squat University. Again, there's that name, but I really like his content, so that's why I wanted to follow him. So basically, what's the plan of attack? Well, we basically need to loosen up the muscles of the forearm. Then we need to strengthen the forearm with some wrist curls. Then we need to look at the Brawler Picture, what could potentially cause this thing. So maybe tight lats, because if you're doing one arm pull-ups, you're definitely going to tax a lot of the lats. So maybe those are stiff or tight. So we want to loosen that one up. And what we then want to do is we want to re-educate our scapula so that we potentially not pulling from our elbows. But during the one arm pull-up or doing any pull-up, we want to make sure that we use our lats more than our forearms. So that's basically the whole idea. Now, with that being said, I am feeling this pain also with pull-ups. So not even one arm pull-up is stalled, the regular pull-up is also stalled, so I can't really progress much into that. It's getting better. I really wanted to make this video, guys, because this is something that is going to happen. And especially me doing calisthenics already for a couple of years, I always noticed that I got the most injuries trying to pursue one specific strength feat. Whether it was the front lever, whether it was the handstand, whether it was the muscle up, I always developed something around my elbows, around my wrists, or my shoulders. So I know that I need to be mindful of that, but I know I have to take care of it as it presents itself in order for it to heal properly and potentially get back better. So that's the whole idea. That's what we're going for. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you want to check out that video of Squat University, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description below. Also, what we need to do is scapula pull-ups in order to re-engage that scapula. Please subscribe for an upcoming video where I'm going to check out my max scapula pull-up. That's something we still can do. So let's have some fun with that. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in that next video. Peace!